Hey there, I'm Casey and this is Jenny and we're two of Festival's Mealtime mentors. This video is part of our Meal Hacks video series where we are sharing tips and tricks for making mealtime manageable.
And today we are going to be sharing 3 great ways to use plain Greek yogurt.
Yes, plain Greek yogurt is awesome because it's high in protein but low in fat, so it can be a great substitution for other things in your meals.
So the first way to use it is to use it in smoothies. It lends a really great creamy element and, like you said, that little bump of protein.
Gotta love that. The second tip is to use it in place of sour cream. So anywhere that you would use sour cream, whether it's tacos, baked potatoes, in any other dish, you can use Greek yogurt to add a little extra protein and a little less fat.
And the third way is probably my favorite, is making a breakfast parfait.
Yes, so that's what we're making today. We're making a kind of fruit yogurt cereal parfait.
So we're going to start out with a little bit of Greek yogurt.
And this is just the plain non-fat Greek yogurt, which it's got that little bit of tang, but we're adding so many other kind of sweet flavors that it really goes well. So then I'm going to top it with some of our cereal.
And you can use any cereal you want. It's just to add a little bit of crunch.
Yep.
Then we've got some strawberries.
Oh, yum. Those look really good. Some bananas.
And just like the cereal, you can use any fruit that you would like. So any sort of berry would be delicious. And
yes, definitely.
Top it off with a little bit of Greek yogurt.
A little dollop, and of course, some mini chocolate chips because, hello, chocolate.
Yeah,
you gotta love it.
So super easy breakfast, and we hope you give this meal hack a try. And if you do, share it on social with the hashtag #mealhack, and check out more of our meal hacks on our YouTube channel. And for more recipes, visit festfoods.com/meals.